Okay, so welcome to Chapter 9. Chapter 9, Files, Printing, and Structures, and we'll do a little brief overview of this in a second. Just really quickly, I wanted to mention the final. So all this stuff for Chapter 9, we're only spending a week on it. So all of these little assignments will be due on December 9th, and then you'll start on your final assignments. And for those, you'll have a module in Canvas. It'll look very similar to what we've been doing. Well, I guess without the videos, but for the most part, you'll just see there are a few assignments that I've picked out for you to work on, and you'll submit those as your final. I don't like multiple choice testing or any of that, and sometimes I like to do one big project that kind of takes everything into account that you've done all semester and all that. But for this course, I picked just a few different programs for you to work on. You'll submit those apps as your final requirement, and those will be due on the 16th. So we've got the 9th to end this upcoming week here for Chapter 9 and December 9th, and then December 16th you'll have your final assignments will be due, and that gives me a few days to grade them during finals week before we have to submit grades on Thursday. So that's kind of the overall plan for the final, and you'll see. So I hate multiple choice tests and that kind of stuff. I think it's dumb with coding. So anyway, uh, let's talk about chapter 9. Relatively straightforward. I mean, at this point in the semester, you kind of have the kind of get the gist of it. So we have some videos that go sort of directly with what we'll be doing in the assignments. So you can see the assignments that you have. Oh, we have nothing for my programming lab for this chapter. It doesn't really work with this stuff. So you're officially done with my programming lab. So hey, congratulations, I guess. And then when we come down to this, we've got creating employee data. So this is one app that you'll work on, and then reading that data. So they'll work together. And then I put one in for out of the little design your own sections, and this font and color tester one's kind of fun, I thought. So you've got that one, and then the last one that we will do is part of the kayak rental application. So that's been fun to see the changes throughout the semester, and adding new things in for each chapter has been kind of cool, I think. So anyway, so that'll be the end of that. Other than that, I mean, chapter 9 is fairly straightforward. I don't think there's anything that'll really trip you up in this. And then next, I'll post by Sunday. I'll post the final by Sunday, December 9th, when these are due. I'll post the final assignments so you can get started on those if you've worked ahead. So anyway, I guess that's about it. So have fun with chapter 9.